Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how to change your Bluetooth device name on a iPhone. So if you want to change the name of a Bluetooth device on an iPhone, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So it's pretty simple, but you need to make sure to have your Bluetooth device with you because you're going to need to connect it to your iPhone. But first things first, you want to head over to the settings app. You can do that by searching for it or just finding it on your home screen. Once you find the settings app, click on it, you'll be brought to the settings page. On the settings page, you want to go to the Bluetooth option. So once you find the Bluetooth option, just click on it. If you can't find it, you can search for it in the search part at the top of the settings page as well. But once you find the Bluetooth option, click on it. It should show all of your Bluetooth devices that you've ever connected to your phone. So once you find all the Bluetooth devices, click on the eye on the right of the Bluetooth device that you want to change the name of. So I'll choose Tsubasa's AirPods that I want to change the name of. You just click on the eye to the right of them, and once you click on that, it'll bring you to this page here. Here, this is when you want to connect your device. As you can see, I just connected my device and they show up here. Now the option for name should show up after you connect the device. If you find the option for name after you connect the device, you want to click on it. Now it will give you the option to delete the old device name. You can put in a new one. Now your device name should be changed, and it will change it for everybody else as well if they try to connect to your device. So keep that in mind. But as you can see, once I go out and I can disconnect my device now, and it still keeps the same name. So that is how you change a device's name on an iPhone. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.